Good morning, everyone. Today I want to start with a question. When we say something is efficient, do we automatically assume it's good? In business, efficient means productivity. It means lower cost. It means speed. It means optimization. And in digital healthcare, efficiency has become the main goal. But what if, in our pursuit of speed and automation, we unintentionally create fear? What if the system works perfectly, but the user feels lost? Today, I'm going to share how efficiency when designed without empathy can hurt, and how we can rebuild trust in digital healthcare. I don't dare to press the button. When my grandma said this, she was holding her phone with both hands. She was staring at the hospital appointment booking app. She was confused because she didn't understand English and she couldn't read. She was afraid of making a mistake, afraid that if pressure the wrong button, she might cancel her checkup or booking the wrong time. In that moment, I realized something powerful. Technology did not fail, but emotionally did. My grandmother almost missed her heart checkup. And for someone her age, a missed checkup is not a small matter. It's serious. But the barriers wasn't transportation. It wasn't cost. It wasn't awareness. It was interface anxiety. She told me, I don't know which button confirm. What if I press cancel? That fear caused hesitation. That hesitation caused delay. And delay in healthcare can become risk. This is what I understood. Efficiency for the system does not equal accessibility for the user. Globally, digital healthcare is expanding rapidly. Hospitals are moving through automation. Online booking replaces phone call. QR check-in replaces counter staff. Chatbot replaces front desk assistant. From a management perspective, this is logic. Automation reduces labor costs. It increases patient throughput. It standardizes process. But here is the problem. More digital systems are designed for average user, not elderly user, not anxious user, not first-time user. Efficiency is optimized around speed, not around emotional comfort. And healthcare is not like shopping. Healthcare is valuable. Let's talk about the hidden cost of efficiency. Small foot to fit more information. Multiple confirmation screen to reduce system error. Complex terminology to maintain precision. Drop-down menu with too many options. To designer, it is functionally. To elderly user, this is cognitive overload. When someone already feels worries about their health, adding digital step increase emotional pressure. Every addition step increase uncertainty, and uncertainty reduce trust. The system may be technically correct, but emotionally it feels unsafe. This is where empathy becomes critical. This is not about technology, it's about confidence. Elderly users are not incapable of learning, but they are more risk averse. They don't want to explore, they don't want to experiment. They want assurance. They want to know if I press it, what will happen. Confidence in healthcare is physiological safety. And if we design only for speed, we remove physiological safety. Now, let's analyze this using trees. Trees tell us that innovation happens when we solve contradiction. Here, the contradiction is clear. We want to improve automation and productivity, but improving this will worsen the easy operation. More automation means few human interaction, but human interaction mean less reassurance. The system become optimized, but the experience become colder. The more efficient it become, the more intimidating it feel. The challenge is not choosing one over the others. The challenge is resolving the contradiction. How do we keep efficiency while restoring easy to use? The first principle we apply is segmentation. Break complex process into manageable steps. Instead of presenting 5 decisions on one page, present one clear decision at a time. It reduces cognitive load. Large button reduce visual strain. Clear label reduce interpretation effort. Short sentence reduce mental fatigue. When complex is dividends, fear is reduced. Segmentation transforms a stressful process into a guide journey. The second principle is dynamic. Instead of design one fixed interface for everyone, we allow the system to adapt. A senior mode is not about limiting features. It is about changing presentation. Bigger foot, higher constant, simplify navigation. It respects diversity. Innovation should not force uniformity. Different users have different capacities, different habits, different comfort level. Dynamic systems are inclusive systems. The third principle is intermediary. Add a supportive layer between user and system. Voice guidance, read instructions aloud. Spoken confirmation, repeat the appointment details. SMS reminders reduce uncertainty. These features may seem small, but emotionally they act like a digital nurse. They provide reassurance, and reassurance reduce hesitation. Healthcare without reassurance is incomplete care. When simplified prototype was shown to elderly users, the difference was visible. Less pausing before clicking. Fewer mistakes in booking dates. Shorter completion time. But more importantly, their facial expression changed. One user said, "This one feels easier." Another said, "I'm not scared anymore." That statement is powerful because fear was a real barrier. No intelligence, no empathy, and no fear anymore. The big idea is not completed. Efficiency plus empathy, not replace system, not removing automation, but redesign interaction. Healthcare station can remind productivity. Hospital can remain efficient, but interface must be human-centered because technology is not just code, it's experience, and experience determines trust. From a business standpoint, this strategic. Higher trust increase digital adoption. Higher adoption reduce misappointment. Reduce misappointment, improve revenue predictability. Lower confusion reduce support center costs. Inclusive design increase brand reputation. And socially, this align with SDG 3, good health and well-being. Accessibility, healthcare is not optional, it is responsibility. Designing inclusive strategy, both business sustainability and social equity. Technology should be empowered, not intimidated. If someone feels a fear to press a button, the system has failed emotionally. Innovation is not about making things faster. It's about making things better. And better means inclusive. When we design with empathy, we reduce fear. When we reduce fear, we restore trust. And when healthcare regain trust, we protect life. This is all my video. Thank you.